Today I'm going to show you how to tear Tower Gardens tower apart. You can see I've taken off the cap, and there's just two little wing nuts here that we have to undo. So, and you can take your finger, it comes right off. Let's take those. A second. It is very windy outside. You can hear the creaking of the building and the trusses shifting a little bit, and then the metal, because it's steel siding, you can hear that kind of catch a little bit. Interesting. Back in the day, I had my own computer repair business in college. So we did on-site computer repair, and we would do lots of computer reloads. Those reloads were pretty good money makers. We would charge $200, and most of it was scripted. If they wanted their files backed up and put back, that would be more expensive. I said that I was not going to be a computer system repairman, Nick Burns, but ran an update on Windows and update didn't work, so I'm reloading Windows.